Mm-hmm. Have we tried talking to people? It's me. Thank you. Let's go. Everything. I want to know it all. Tell me it all. Kind of a goof. Sorry. Wrong. I did the wrong choice. Tamios. Thank you. Sure. Yeah, let's go with that. That's me. We better get to meet Azem. Oh god, like they can't not, right? They have to. They have to. It would be illegal if we don't get to. Would she be able to tell? To Tamios I go. Boing, 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 boing. UA on. Yep, something like that. Oh no! got a friend? I want to see what the other guy says. Well, this stinks. Maybe you do too. There he is. I found him. Boing, 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 boing. Oh, sorry. We're just gonna make so many birds and bugs. Interesting. Maybe I should have done the mimic to talk about the concept. Fair, fair. God, I feel like this one he might say no. I feel like we've gone on the wrong course here. I think I hecked up. Yep, that's it, that's it. Good, 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 good. Oh yeah, all the rage these days. Kids love them. No. Shit, shit, shit. Can you fail this? Can I fail asking questions? Shit. Mom, I did bad! What are you hiding back here for, Goof? Oh. No, I fucked up, Mom. I'm sorry. I guess there wasn't much we could have gained. Oh, I did okay then. Oh, sorry. Should I not have mentioned that earlier? Oops. My bad. Sorry, Mom. Peripetia crystalline. Dun, 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 dun. The records. Ooh. Okay. Can I go in? No. Dang it. I want to go in. I want to look. I'm curious. I'd like to explore. Let me in. Hey, K Shizzle. This is doing well. Thank you. How about yourself? Indeed, so if you could provide a comprehensive log of those behaviors, we should then have sufficient data for our official records. Oh, you know. Personal research project. Several mediums. Oh. I have an R. To the surface? Is this underground like Labyrinthos? Yeah, let her tell us. Oh my gosh. Metabasios thalassai. Oh yeah, we're floating above it. That makes sense. What would Elpis be without your earlier academic work? Jesus, that's like, I'll be glad when you die. I know that's not how they think of it, but yeah, it's like, it's a little unsettling. She chose not to also when she stepped down, so. Like, yeah, thanks buddy. Up to the skyway. Boom. The other archivist said not we hadn't already heard. I have opened the path. Metabaseos thalassai. Yay! Oh, this is so cool. Hello down there! Boing, 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 boing. Oh, just imagine getting to chill up here, have a nice walk. We need some benches. Put some benches here. Sit and read a book. Watch the clouds. Feel the wind. Have you seen Galeen? Answers again? Yes, it is. Oh my gosh.
A delightful breeze and a breathtaking view. What is it like in the future? Is the world still a beautiful place?
It can be.
I swear I could hear the glimmer in your eyes and the adoration in your voice. While we wait, will you not tell me about your adventures? Not the portentous events which led you here, but the simple delights all your own. By learning about the future world, I may gain insight into future me's plans. But more than that, I have an interest simply as a fellow traveler. Short of going somewhere oneself, there's naught more stirring than hearing another's account.
Pow! Archibald!
Incredible. Would that I could have been there to see it. Yours is a harsh and unforgiving world. Yet in spite of this, your brethren hold fast to their virtue. To know that the light of mankind's potential still shines, even in that faraway place, it gives me heart. Thank you for regaling me with your tales. I will treasure every word. As you know, I was once a scholar. And among other things, I sought to understand the workings of the world. What exactly is ether? How formed the laws of nature? Whence sprung mankind? Riddles and mysteries beyond counting. Over the years, I have managed to find answers to some few of them. Yet rather than attain a sense of mastery, the more I understood, the more I came to hold the world and its miracles in awe. We too are miracles, each and every one of us, born of the warm breath of life that traverses the heavens, swirling through eternity. When I fully grasped the improbability of our existence, nothing felt impossible anymore. If it could be imagined, it could be done. A passion swelled within me, an epiphany dispelling all preconceptions of what was natural and true. And a presence without, immense yet intimate. Fate, perhaps, holding us in its tender embrace. As reassuring as it was intimidating, how keenly aware I became of creation's fragility, built as it is upon precarious happenstance. I was overcome with an irrepressible urge to know the world more intimately, to hear its voice, feel its breath. I ventured forth on a journey that very day, so very long ago now. Freed from presumption and prejudice, I saw the world through a newborn's eyes. Everything fresh and new, and so beautiful. Lands that stretched on forever. Skies one could drown in, the heartbeat of nature, silent yet strong. And amidst it all a people, beacons of light and life, laughter that warmed my heart like naught else before. They are my meaning, and my purpose, my love. And so long as they need help, I cannot return to the star. Perhaps my future self is still waiting for it. A moment she can let go and walk unto the end. Safe in the knowledge that man will find his own way. You, who are our future, tell me this. And tell me true. Has your journey been good? Has it been worthwhile?
How do you answer a question like that?
Pray forgive my lateness. My observation subject was rather irritable, and it took a while to settle it down.
No need to apologize. Your work takes precedence. Besides, we had a pleasant conversation in the meantime.
You're too kind. Now then, I'm told you wished to ask me some questions.
Indeed. I've an interest in one of Hermes' creations. Meteon. You witnessed a host of them take flight, yes?
Oh, that! Yes,
like
I
your
did.
hair.
It was in the dark of the morn. I'd left the Thalassai after nocturnal observation. As I walked along, I spied a bright light climbing high into the southeastern skies. Then, in an instant, it was gone. Like a shooting star, only rising rather than falling. But then another shot up, then another, and another. Intrigued, I made my way to the edge to investigate. And who should I spy on an isle to the south but Hermes and Meteon, the Matea, rather.
The Matea.
There were lots of them, and I realized they must be the shooting stars that I'd seen.
The meteors. Huh?
A dazzling spectacle indeed. Have you spoken with Hermes about this?
Oh, yes. The sight left such an impression on me that I approached him about his mystery project the very next day. Alas, he said that he couldn't reveal anything just yet, that he needed to conduct further tests. It shouldn't be long now, though. He often returns to that isle, and I have a feeling he's nearing a breakthrough.
Splendid. We are likewise eager for the details. Well, that is all we wish to ask. Thank you for taking the time to indulge our curiosity.
You're very welcome. It's always a pleasure to speak with other inquisitive souls. Oh, and will you be descending now? If so, I shall link the doors for you.
Please.
Thank you, Hydaelyn. He ain't been talking. Uh-oh. Worthy of his back. Let's go take a look. Boing, 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 boing. Whoa. Well, I dare say it's probably that island over there. Look at that pretty tree. Yeah. Not here, not yet. Inconvenience. Argos! Yeah! Good pupper. Uh-oh, does he not like me? That's okay. Yeah, no, it's fine. I will have ridden him in the future past. A sparring match? Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, I don't want to fight Venat. Traveler out of time. Know that you must give a good showing. Why are we gonna fight Mom? The identity is identical to the one you encountered in Mare Lamentorum, except this Argo is pointedly ignoring you. Aww. Argo, please. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Let neither side hold back.
Sorry, Mom. Ow, Mom. Mom, please. Mom, please. Mom.
My blade sings.
Oh no! What the fuck? True Blink. What are you doing, Mom? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm clapping for him, Mom. Oh no, not again! God damn! Hey Mom, we gotta... yeah, I believe in you. Practice round. That was like a trial synthesis. Holy shit.
Let neither side.
Oh god, no,
hold
wait!
back.
Oh! Unsummon Carbuncle. Ouch. Okay, now I know, now I know.
My blade sings.
Jesus. Oh god. Okay, so this is... Oh Jesus! And then we're gonna get it close. Yep. No, don't do it. Don't you do it. Oh, what the fuck? Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Please stop, Mom. Please.
Impressive. I shall have to try something different.
You don't have to. You don't have to. Oh god. Now she's a dancer. What is...
No quarter.
Oh no!
Have a taste.
Oh no, Mom, please! Oh, this is Emerald Weapon. Oh god, oh god. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! But worse! This is so much worse!
I see you won't be easily overcome, but neither will I.
I can tell! Oh, she's a white mage? True arrow 4. I'm putting on a shield. Ow! Jeez. You want wind? I'll give you wind. True stone.
Prepare yourself.
Oh god! Oh god! How the fuck did I gotta do a fucking obstacle course? Is it still following me? Oh god! Oh god! Get me back in here! Fuck! Oh god! Oh god! Oh! It's Shiva circles! But really fast! Oh god, no! It's gonna be back!
Very well.
Fuck!
Let us move to the final
Oh
trial.
Jesus! What is even going on? More! More! You! No! Oh, please. Put on a shield. No! Mom, please! Be epic good!
Break your chains, shed your burdens, and show me your strength of will.
Oh, fuck! Oh, we got limit broke. I'm fucking dead. Oh.
You still stand.
Oh.
The people of your time are more resilient than I had dared
Oh,
hope.
why?
I've seen enough.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, Jesus.
'Twas my intent to finish it, but clearly I underestimated you.
You tried to kill me!
One would think I never learn. I made the same mistake with Azem when we first sparred. Despite being less than half my age, her strength was astounding.
You don't say.
As is yours. 'Tis plain you have weathered considerable hardship. Far more even than your tales would suggest. It seems we have both learned much on our journeys.
Yay! 2 pups!
Well now, I dare say he has warmed to you.
Is this why he likes me so much in the future?
A boon to be sure. He never forgets his favorites, and is ever eager to come to their aid.
Aww.